Hi, I'm Margaret Ruffino, 6th grade language arts teacher at Minnetonka Middle School West. I have a passion for teaching and lifelong learning. I love getting to know my students and guiding them in their learning in my language arts courses. My classroom goals are simple. It is important for me to know my students first, then help them succeed in learning. Reading may not be a passion for all students, but I foster reading and provide time in my classroom for students to read for pleasure and to read to learn. Middle school language arts is about supporting reading and developing writing across all genres and subject areas. Reading and writing strategies and skills are developed through 5 areas: literature, independent reading, writing, vocabulary, and grammar. If your child was placed in honors language arts, their academic needs will be met through variations in the curriculum, in content, process, and products. They may use different resources at times, and I will provide more individual opportunities. As a parent, there are 2 main areas you can zero in on to support your child in 6th grade language arts. They are writing and independent reading. Each child has their strengths and weaknesses in writing. Your one-on-one guidance with your child is helpful in developing necessary writing skills. Also, middle school children have varying interests in literature they choose to read. The most important thing is to assure that they are reading something. Being respectful is the most important life skill practice in my classroom. I look for students to demonstrate their best behavior, compassion for others, and be engaged in their learning. Part of being respectful in a classroom is coming prepared to learn. Having necessary materials and completing assignments on time are 2 things I expect of my students. Homework is necessary to reinforce or practice new skills. Some homework is consistent on a weekly basis. Other homework is assigned based on the topic of the daily lesson. I value family time, so I'm very mindful of busy schedules at night and weekend family time. Minnetonka Middle School West offers many opportunities for students to get extra help with their studies. One option is Tuesday and Thursday morning help times. Another time I am available to support students is during a scheduled skip time. These skip times happen every other Wednesday during the school day. Schoology is an educational access portal for teachers, students, and parents. This is the main hub of information related to class information, coursework, materials, resources, quizzes and tests, grades, updates, and more. Each Minnetonka student and their parents and/or guardians will have authorization to access this portal. Letter grades are used for grading at the middle school. Each grade represents a percentage of success on assignments and tests as per the district policy. Remember, grades are only a snapshot of progress for your child. Teachers also see the inner workings of their students in the classroom involving effort and participation. Advisory is a time in which teachers have a group of 15 to 20 students every day for a 30-minute period of time. This time has a schedule that is flexible according to student needs. Please review the daily schedule on this slide. Communication is a key to every child's success in school. Schoology provides a wealth of information, but sometimes it is important to connect with me regarding your child's success, concerns, or other pertinent information. The most efficient way to connect with me is through email. Other methods include a one-on-one conference or a phone call. Thank you for watching and listening to this presentation. I look forward to working with you and your child throughout the school year.